Hercules, wrist cold Hercules, hurt your knees, Frito-Lay, you know what I'm saying, extra cheese, oh, you know what I'm saying, morning fan, what it be, niggas hype in the morning, that's indeed, woo-hoo, woo, going on, fam, shit, you know, I chillin' though, Mr. Peacemeek himself, how y'all living? I straight, Baba. Doing no straightening up. I on call and shit. Mr. 2 cell phones. I got 2 cell phones today. I working and I'm not working. But fuck them. Easy money. Y'all boy get at me today. Let me know if you're active. Let me know. Look at this shit I got go through. I wake up to this. This shit straight look like the entrance to the Underground Railroad. Look at Harriet. Look at Harriet right there. Harriet! Come get me!